They're all $1 and some change. So honestly, all together with 11 nails, like 11 sets, I spent $20 and like 64 cents. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys, you know, if Shein was a hit or miss as far as what they showed in the picture versus what I got in the mail. And I ordered 11 different ones, but honestly I'll say the best thing out of it all in the end. So I'm gonna put you all up on game for some nails. Also, I do have a fire nail tech where I'm from, and she also sends me some press-on nails, and hers are even more durable than the ones I'm about to show you because they're handcrafted, handmade, and she's fire with it. I'll be dropping her information down in here. But this is also for if you don't want to spend $40, $50, $60 for that type of set, but in the long run, they're definitely worth it. But I'm gonna tell you guys what I got on my hands now. So I have these nails right here. And I got these babies from Shein, and honestly I've been wearing them for about a week and a half now, and they're very durable. I will say when you go to put these on, definitely use some top coat, because I did notice a little bit of chipping in the paint that's on here. Like I noticed some of the paint was just starting to come up off of it. Also because I'm a mom, y'all know I'm busy all the time, or if I'm doing my hair. So definitely get you some top coat. So the next one that I saw in there that I liked were these. And as you can see, they're definitely spot on. I did not expect these to be this long, because I thought when I was looking at them, they were like a medium. I don't typically like to wear extremely long nails anymore because I do hair, do makeup, and you know, I'm busy and I don't want to constantly have to try to figure out how to pick something up. But I do like these, and I thought these were cute. And for whatever reason, I think I picked out another black and white pair. Black and white's just been sticking out to me lately. Another set that I saw in here, but I saw this and I just thought these were the cutest. And I had to get them. And what I love about these nails also too is that they're all $1 and some change. So honestly, all together with 11 nails, like 11 sets, I spent $20 and like 64 cents on 11 of these. That's a deal you don't want to pass up. But I definitely think these are the cutest. These actually have like the whole alligator thing going on. I see some cheetah print, leopard print, and whatever print that is on there, but these are cute, and I like these colors because I definitely feel like they're fire for spring and summertime. Then I got these ones. I picked up these because they definitely gave me like Easter type vibes. And then I like this one too because they're shorter, so that's more of my style. So I'll probably honestly be putting these on next. They also come with these little sticker things in there, so if you don't want to use nail glue, they have the stickers on the inside that you can use inside the nail beds and just stick them on there. But I prefer the glue because I feel like the glue is going to hold up more, and then, you know, when I wash my hands, get in the shower, I don't have to worry about the glue getting untacky and then my nails just popping off everywhere. So I definitely like these for this. But these are the cutest. And then another thing, if you haven't noticed, which most people honestly don't know, which is odd, these nails come with numbers in them. So let's just say you're like, oh, my nail beds are too big or my nail beds are too small. So that's the whole point of these. They come with, first of all, multiple sets to wear. So like if one pops off, or if you're wanting to wear them again, you have the same set again. But they come with numbers on like the tips of the nails. So if you ever, they're really faint, so you actually have to look for it. But if you ever pick up the nails and you go inside of them, like normally in here at the very tip, it has a number, so you can sit there and figure out, okay, this thumb is a 5, or my pinky is like a 6. And I think that's the difference about them though. I think the bigger the number goes, the smaller the nail is, rather than like the smaller the number, the smaller nail, which would have made more sense, but hey, I'm not the one creating these. But there's numbers on the inside so you can measure it, so that way when you go do your other hand, you know exactly what to reference. So that whole alligator thing, these scream spring. Like, come on now. The flowers, the pink, the whites, like they scream spring. And I just thought these were too cute. These are also shorter. The ones I showed you in the beginning were very long. Also the other ones that I showed you right after that were long too, but I'm a medium girl. Give me the medium. I used to be long, but give me the medium. I've never done like the whole oval or rounded shape one, so I want to try them out also because they were super cute. They were green. And I just want to try these ones out. These to me, because of this green, you can get a pass for the springtime, but these definitely give off more of a summertime vibe with the shape and with the colors that are in here. I definitely think this is cute, and I definitely think you can do some cute like going out looks to match this set of nails. Like if you were going for like a nice emerald outfit, like a dress or something like that, that's really cute. So like I told you guys, for whatever reason, black and white has just been like my thing. So, and I've been saying I need some color in my life, but for whatever reason these nails popped out to me. I thought these were cute because they're checkerboard and they're like the flames, but they are both black and white, and I definitely thought these were fire. These can go with anything, just like the other black and white ones I showed you. They can go with anything. It doesn't matter, whatever color you're wearing, doesn't matter. I would definitely pair this with like some rings too, like, but not like just regular gold or silver rings, but some playful rings like that just have some color, and some like maybe like the evil eye ring, stuff like that. I think those are cute. Then I chose these. I think I have a thing with checkerboard right now, but you can't tell me that these are not a vibe. Like this color in here, and then the other ones have like the flowers on them. I'm gonna show you pictures of all of these because some of these are hidden behind the box, so you're not gonna get to see them all. But are those not fire? Like absolutely gorgeous. I mean, these are too cute. As you can see, I'm going out of my comfort zone with the shapes. This is cute. Like between this one and the other one that I showed you that were oval shape, I'm gonna wear first, honestly. Like these are both freaking cute. And then the way I'm looking at on the screen right now, it's probably gonna be these girls. These girls are cute. And last but not least, so these are some longer ones too. These are mad dope, mad cute. I like these because they were different. They had like these neon colors to them. Then they had like a neon strip in the middle. They're coffin shape, which, like I said, I didn't discriminate between the shapes. If it's cute, I just got them. But these were pink, green, and blue, and they kind of did like an ombre thing, but I thought these were so adorable. But truth be told, Shein, I'm gonna have to do another haul with you guys, but not just with nails, because when I was actually going through Shein, first of all, they have free trials on there. So like if you have an account with them and then like you go to a certain like setting in there, like into your settings or your profile, they have a free trial thing where they just like offer random things, clothes, beauty blenders, shells, anything. If you just go in there, let me see if I can go in there right now, because I know they just offer like random things that you can try for a free trial. And if you have to get selected for it, so that's when we say that you have to get selected for it though. And so yeah, if you click on me, and then if you click on free trial center, like you'll see winner announcement, all that stuff up there. But you could just keep going in to try for like things. Like they have this t-shirt on here, this closet storage, these white boots, that slogan graphic PJ set, which I'm gonna try for, why not, submit. Oh, I forgot. Oh, no, I already just said I did it again, so you can only do it once. I just want to see how many times you can do it. This bra, like there's things on here for you to try, to get, and then like there's other things that's already ended. Like I wish I would have known about this bag, because that bag is cute. But you can win things. Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of things on Shein that you could just try by, and I think I'm gonna do another haul, but not necessarily with the clothes or the beauty aspect. I want to try some just random things from Shein just to see how they play out. But this is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you had any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Hopefully I explained everything as best as I could in here, and I will see you guys next time.